It is day 5 of doing a Leetcode question every single day until I'm employed. Today we're doing, they're doing me Latin. Get it? Cause okay. We're doing Goat Latin. You're given a string sentence that consists of words separate. Bro, every time I record. Consists of words separated by spaces. Each word consists of lowercase and uppercase letters only. We'd like you to convert the sentence to Goat Latin, a made-up language similar to Pig Latin. The rules of Goat Latin are as follows. If a word begins with a vowel, append ma to the end of the word. Okay. If a word begins with a consonant, remove the first letter and append to the end, then add ma. Okay, that's easy. And then add words based on A's based on the index. Okay, that's pretty easy in my opinion. But we need what's gonna be difficult is getting okay, the sentence length is less than 150, which is actually fine. So we can just make a string. So I don't have to malloc it for some reason. So we'll just call this string. And we'll make it 150 characters long. And then we'll just initialize that. That's fine. And then we'll just probably put an null terminator at the end. Because I can't think of a better way to do it. Considering, wait, is that, oh, that sounds lang. Wait, that means this is definitely more than 150 characters. Okay, well, this could be like, you know what, let's just, we can drop this later for the memory. This is fine, there's nothing wrong with this, I swear. So we want to iterate through every single character, and we need to identify words, obviously, for each word, and then we'll just append things. Okay. For int x equals 0, x is less than string length of sentence with an e, x plus plus. Okay, GG easy. And now we're iterating through. We're iterating through, and we're going to check the first letter. So we need to check if it's a brand new word. So I think we'll make a boolean. We'll say new word equals true initially. Dude. So if new word, then we're going to check the start of the word, because we need to check if it's a vowel or if it begins with a consonant. So I think we should make a vowels. Make it equal to A, E, oh fuck, I, O, U. I don't know if this will work. I have to add brackets, or I probably have to add brackets. Okay, const char. I don't know if this is proper at all, but I need like something to compare it to. So if the new word Then we want to check that sentence X is equal to a vowel. So we want to check if new word. How are we gonna know? Okay, we'll have to do that. We'll have to signify something. But we always add ma at the end of the word. Like everything ends with ma, so we'll always just add ma. It's just whether or not we have to move that letter to the end of the word. So we might have to specify like a carried word. It's just gonna be interesting. Okay, so we'll add. Okay, we need to iterate for the vowels. I equals 0. I is less than s. I is less than 5. I plus plus. If sentence. Oh, if I could fucking spell. Sentence X equals vowels I. Then we know that the first letter is a vowel. And we're gonna pen ma, but we're already in a pen ma, so basically we're just trying to know if we need to add a carried letter. So maybe we just check against us. We do bool, and we'll say like, okay, we're gonna carry this letter to the end. Carry letter equals, I want to say true because we're checking to make it see if it's false. And then we're gonna do char carried equals, just make it 0 for now. So why not? Actually, we'll just initialize it. Okay, now if this is way too much nesting. Carry letter equals false. And now we want to. No, we don't need to worry about carry letter yet. That's fine because we only want to check that on the first time. And we also want to set new word to false. Oh, it's always going to think it's a new word. It's always going to check to carry the letter. But if carry letter then we need to make carried equal to sentence X. Now I have to wait until I find a space. But the thing is, I'm not actually adding anything to the string, and I also need a string count, I don't know. Oh my god, the memory's just stacking up. String count equals 0. Because I need somewhere to store the index, the string that I'm putting letters in. That's fine. Okay. So we're iterating through the original string, which is fine. Then we need to okay, well if we're carrying the letter, we just need to set carried. And then we're not going to put that letter in. so we can just not worry about it. But if we aren't going to carry the letter, then we need to put the letter in. So string count is going to equal sentence X, because we know it's a vowel. Yeah, that's right. And then we also need to just do string count plus plus. Yeah. And then we also need to, okay. So that's always, if it's a new word, yeah. If it's a new word, we always want to add the vowel to the string, which is fine. Otherwise, we need to add. Otherwise, we don't need to do it until it's a space. Else, if sentence X equals space. Because if it's a space, we know we're at the end of the word, which means, okay, and then oh, okay, else. Yep, the final else will be just adding string. String, what's it called? String. I'll just do this. What the fuck, bro? Yep, that's fine. Okay, and then piss off. Okay, if it's a space, we know we're at the end of the word, so we need to. Oh, we need to increment the index of each word too. Just gonna have to start at 1. Word index equals 1. Okay, and now we know we're at the end of the word. So if we have to carry the letter, we need to make sure we add that. So string count equals carried. Yeah, and then we need to increment. And then that's fine. And then we need to add ma. So we need to do. So we can just do add m first. We'll just do string counts equals m string counts plus plus. Okay, and then we can iterate through a loop for int x. Actually, we'll call it y. Y is equal to 0. Y is less than word index plus 1. So it's cool. Yeah. Oh, and then I have to do y plus plus. And if then I want to add, do we not do this exact line with a? I think this works, right? Does this work? And at the very end of long we added a null terminator after the loop. string counts equals and then return the string. This is gonna take up heaps of space in memory because I made it 2,000 characters long. Okay, that's definitely not something we can do. I did think I used the wrong syntax. I think this is fine though. I don't know if it has to be a constant. I mean it is. Do you remember that? Expected before token. Oh, can I just... Wait, hear me out. Actually, hear me out. But this doesn't check if they're capitals though. Actually, that was gonna work, wasn't it? Multi-character literal with 5 characters exceeds size. My bad, Swin. That work? Stack Overflow. Why? Well. Oh, it doesn't revise new word. New word never comes back, does it? Completely forgot about that actually. Where is it supposed to do that? Here. And then we make sure carry letter equals false. Deadly signal. What that mean? Okay, now I have to figure out what's wrong with it. Great, this is gonna be so much fun. We'll do this first. How far do we get? We don't get anywhere. How is that possible? Wait, what? Wait, what? I speak Go Latin. I can't even get... how is it not printing anything? Why not? Bro, what the fuck does this mean? Why do they give you the world's worst compilation error? Stack Overflow on address. What that mean? Maybe this has to be wrong, right? It's gonna be this, right? Can I do this? Multi-character literal with 5 characters exceeds integer size of 4 bytes. Do I have to use these brackets? I always forget which bracket to use. Ow. Makes integer from pointer without a cost. What about this? Output null. Okay, but it does iterate through everything. Output null. Well, that's impossible. Surely. Okay, well, let's print the string at the end. Because it is getting to the end. String. Because I could have done something wrong and you have to like... I think I did the same thing last time. Okay, yeah, for it also never has any spaces. Why does that happen for the last word? Oh, it never hits a space. Oh. Or x is equals strlen sentence. That should fix that, so it should go past it. -1. Yes, okay. Wait, what? But it's also L. I see. Okay, so the carrying thing does not fucking work. Which is really annoying. Why is it not working? Carry letter equals false. How does this always happen? It also doesn't have any spaces, so that's really annoying. Let me just fix this. Okay. But it's also printing this. I'm a speak ma, go ma, Latin ma, which is not right. Why is it not? Does carry letter always equal true? But it's not doing anything if it is. It's gonna add a period every time it's true. Son. Who the fuck just emailed me? Okay, so it never makes it false. How is that even possible? Actually, that should be right because none of them start with the vowel list. Which means carry letter should always be true. And if it's a carry letter, then it should set this. Oh, it also doesn't increment this. Word index plus plus. It's my bad. Okay, so now we have the right amount of characters. But it doesn't carry the letter. Why is it not carrying the letter? What is... Okay, what if we print out carried? Because this is really strange. What the fuck? If carry letter. Okay. Oh, nothing sets carry letter to be true. Carry letter should never be set to false. No, it should actually always be set to true. Actually, should be set to true at the very start of every iteration. Wait, no, it shouldn't. Once it's used. No, once it's a new word. Every time it's a new word. Every time we get to here. Oh, what? This is unintentional. Yeah, okay, so it works. So this is the exact same output. Yes. Identical. So why are we not returning that string? Even though we are. Or do we have to return it as a sentence? Sentence equals string, but it's not gonna be the same length. So we're returning a string, but it's not taking it. It doesn't like it for some reason. I'm pretty sure it's because I have to malloc it. Now this is gonna fuck everything up, isn't it? Oh, do I have to make them all? Yikes. Every time I use it. This is really, I'm really gonna have to do this. Yeah, if it throws an error here, I will. Yeah, okay, fuck. I hope this works. Come on, dude. Store to null pointer of type char. What? I swear to fucking God, man. Bro, please. Oh my God, dude. No. How? That's in the. How is that even happening? Because of this stupid shit. Alright, I'm the goat. I'm the goat. What? What the fuck? What do that mean? Well, because it doesn't add it doesn't add it to the end. You're such a fucker, man. If okay, if this is, I don't know, because it's not gonna get there otherwise. Then we want to string count equals sentence. Now I bet you this works. You fuck. Come on, please. Please. Oh. Wait, what? Why would it do that? Is it because... A-E-I-O-U? I don't know if you have to check. I mean, I could just check the... Man, you fucking ass. Oh my God, can't. See, this is not gonna work because there's something on the end. It's gonna throw an error. Sucks, man. do that. Okay. It's fine. We just have to throw in another clause. Why not? Well, no, because it throws a new word as well. If new word, just add an edge case, bro, and but then, okay, it's gonna do new word first, so it's already done the new word thing. But then we literally just want to do all this. But you don't want to carry the letter, obviously. So I want to do this. And then we want to do all of this. Please. Man, you suck. But it should be, that should be true. Oh, I didn't have the -1 because I'm ugly. Because I'm so ugly. What the fuck does that mean? Does it matter to go at the top? You suck so bad. You suck so bad. Please, brother. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my god. Why is this case different? Oh my fucking god. But this should also up the word index. So yeah. And now it's gonna throw an arrow. Yeah, fuck. How is there an extra A? 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it does have 7. Why does it have 7? But then if I remove this, this doesn't have enough A's. Because why? Fuck do I know, bro? Because this doesn't increase the word index somehow. Just got something to do with this, but it should. Because the index should be increased once, twice, so it should be 3. So it should get 3 here. We're not getting 3 here. Which is not right at all. How are we not getting 3 though? you just... Oh, horrible voice crack. But you added 2 spaces. You can't add 2 spaces without adding the word index twice. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Because it's the 3rd word, which is true, so it should have 4 A's. Why does it have... How can it have 3 A's? How is this possible? Is it because... Why? I don't know. The word index isn't behind. What if I do else if here actually? Hardest task. Type fucking else. I'm killing myself. I'm not. Don't censor me, YouTube. How? Why does this have 1 less L? 1 less word index? What the fuck, man? Like, are you serious, bro? This is gonna be like an hour-long fucking video. Stupid ass shit, man. Word index plus plus. Okay. Every time you get a new word, the index is word index is added, is incremented. What is the word index here? What has to be? There's no way it's not 3. It is 3. So, tell me, what's 3 plus 1? I don't know, what is it? What? Like what? Like what? Like what? Is it this? Because that's the only time it doesn't have a space on the end. I should just add a space on the end. I'm such a brick. Bro, I'm just a freaking brick in the wall, bro. I might be the worst to ever do it. I guess you could say I'm the GOAT. Oh. How? What? Wait. It does. By the way. Why is it? Why does that add 1 more space? No. It was fine before. It was fine a minute ago. Take this out. No, that's wrong. That's definitely gonna be the... Oh, I suppose I don't need this. Oh. But how is that possible? Because why are you putting a space in the end anyway? Because then it's gonna do this. Yeah, and then it's gonna do this, but it doesn't do anything. Oh, because it's gonna increment it. How about this? Let's go. It's actually not the worst solution ever. Wait, really? This is actually decent? This took me almost an hour. 46 minutes? Really? For this? I thought it was gonna be horrid. But 53% is not that bad. Wow. And I can malloc way less space. Wait, hold up. We can actually... Oops. We can actually drop so much memory. Provided there's enough space. This doesn't throw an error. No, it does. Let's try 1,000. Sure, there's no way there's 1,000 characters in the auto tests. Okay, there is. What? Really? About 1,500. Oh my god, we just keep dropping it until we beat all the memory. Wait. Oh fuck. Wait, you just more than 1,200 characters? Holy fuck, dude. 1,300? What's the limit? I reckon 14. I reckon we can. Oh, really? Wait. Come on. Surely. Yeah, so we beat 98% of the memory. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. This is like my best result ever. Wow, I'm actually really happy with that, even though this took me way longer than it should have for such a stupid question. But this was actually pretty fun, even though I wanted to die. Anyway, have a good day.